There are 2 common mistakes kids make when kicking in the water. You can help your kiddo improve their kicking by following these tips. Mistake number 1, they flex their feet instead of pointing, and you cannot effectively propel yourself forward in the water with your toes flexed. So practice the flex point exercise to show them the difference. Point, flex, point, flex, point, flex, point, flex. And keep saying point your toes when practicing kicks. If you're getting value out of this video, then I know that having top of mind infant and child CPR and choking skills is essential for you. Parents ask me questions about CPR and choking all the time. And as a mom of 2 boys and a certified CPR instructor teaching parents life-saving skills for over 25 years, I decided it was time to put the answer to the top 10 questions I get from parents into a free guide. It's called the Worry No More CPR and Choking Guide for Busy Parents. But that's not all, because I know that there are things that parents need to know that they don't even know that they need to know that I've included in this guide. And my students inside Lifesaving School for Parents, where I go deeper on this information, are always so thankful and relieved that they know this before an emergency strikes. So, to kickstart or refresh your life-saving education and regret-proof parenthood, grab my free guide at thelifesavingcoach.com/emergency. You can find the details in the description box and the pinned comment, and please comment yes to let me know that you got it. And now, let's continue with the featured video. Mistake number 2 is bending their knees. To help stop this, practice kicks on the side of the pool and demonstrate what straight kicks look like. The kick must initiate at your hips, not your knees. And get in the pool and manually move their legs up and down so that they can feel the difference. Tell them that they need to have robot legs that don't bend so that they can propel like a fish. That's your water tip of the day from the lifesavingcoach.com, helping parents protect what matters most with life-saving education. Please share this with a parent friend. Now, if teaching your child how to kick in the water is important to you, then I know that you'll also want to learn how to teach your child back floats. Get them floating on their back quickly with the tips in the video showing on your screen. If you've already seen that video, then check out the other video showing on your screen, as this is what YouTube recommends you watch next.